Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can filter anime in Crunchyroll. Well, Crunchyroll boasts as a go-to platform when it comes to animes and manga. But it's not that we always want all kinds of anime in our home feed or in our watch list. So how do you filter animes Crunchyroll? It's a pretty straightforward process, guys. All you have to do is launch your favorite browser and in a new tab, just enter Crunchyroll to enter into your Crunchyroll account like so. And after you've logged in to your account, we'll have a home screen something like this. Now, the next step is go to this browse section at the left side of the top section. So click on it. Now there are popular new alphabetical simulcast season release calendar as options. If you want to go for alphabetical listings of the animes, click on alphabetical, or if you want to go for the popular ones, go to popular. Now most popular animes will be shown in this page. If you want to filter out among the popular anime, click on this filter. Now what you want to see, if you want to see only the dubbed version of this anime, click on dub, and only the dubbed popular anime will be shown to you. Again, if you want to go by a different condition, for example, only movies, so this is the only dubbed movie anime available under popular category. Alright, you can also go about choosing these other filters and get the results you desire. Now you know how to filter anime in Crunchyroll. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a big thumbs up, and if you still have any questions or comments regarding filtering anime in Crunchyroll, do leave them in the comment section. We'll get back to you right away. Until next time, bye bye.